All right, another saw up for sale. It's a Husqvarna 55. It's called a 55 Classic, which is the air injection one. It's not an X-Torque or anything. Cosmetically, again, in great shape. I went through it all, put a new air filter, new spark plug, new bar and chain. I have used this, honestly, probably 4 or 5 hours or so doing some minor limb work. It's a good light saw. That's why I like it. But I basically go through, buy saws at a good price, rebuild them, or find out what's wrong with them. Usually it's stuff that's minor. Luckily I live in the Midwest, so there's tons of saws around here. So anyway, cold start. If I'm on frame, sorry if I'm not. It's cold. Hasn't been started in probably 3 or 4 days here. So one thing I really like about Husqvarna's versus all the others, it's very simple to start. Compression release. This saw starts usually 4 poles, regardless of how cold it is. 2. Saw's always started up really good. All right, Husqvarna 55. Any questions, let me know.